Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito without mint. If you find yourself without fresh mint, don't worry. We'll explore fantastic alternatives to create a delicious and refreshing drink. Basil is a wonderful substitute, bringing a sweet and slightly peppery note that complements the classic mojito flavors beautifully. You can also experiment with other herbs or fruit infusions for a unique twist. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1.5 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and ½ ounce of simple syrup for sweetness. Don't forget the club soda or sparkling water to top it off, giving your mojito that signature effervescence. And of course, for our mint-free twist, have about 6 to 8 fresh basil leaves ready. Now let's craft your delicious mojito. In a sturdy glass, gently muddle about 6 to 8 fresh basil leaves with 2 to 3 lime wedges. The goal is to release their aromatic oils, not to pulverize them. Next, add ½ ounce of simple syrup and 1.5 ounces of white rum. Fill your glass with ice, then shake vigorously for about 20 seconds to thoroughly chill and combine all the flavors. For the final touches, strain your perfectly mixed mojito into a new glass filled with fresh ice. Top it off with about 4 to 5 ounces of chilled club soda or sparkling water, adding that refreshing sparkle. A simple garnish of a fresh lime slice and a basil sprig will make your drink look as good as it tastes. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your delightful mint-free mojito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.